All right, I'm up here, guys. Look at the writing on here. Look at this. Whew. This is really high. Holy shit. Oh, look. 1996, last person to climb this. And then look at, there's another one. 1942. Wow. That's awesome. You guys probably drive to Vegas all the time. And you literally pass by this set of mountains on your right hand side all the time. All the time. You never even pay attention probably. But yeah, this is what it looks like from my point of view. This is my perspective of it. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna dare to get up there. That's kind of scary. I made it this far, so I hang out here for a minute, have some water, and enjoy this.